Hello friends, welcome to the Techly Zen channel. So friends, today I will talk about GALAX RTX 4060 Ti Metal Master Classic Edition OC graphics card. So friend, GALAX announced the launch of its new RTX 4060 Ti Metal Master Classic Edition OC graphics card, and this graphics card is constructed with the die-cast all-aluminum alloy body and features a triple fan cooling system. Each of the triple fan cooling system 392 fans utilize 11 blade static design optimized for increased airflow and cooling efficiency, and the cooling architecture branded as the Hanguangxing system comprises a fully metallic structure with 6 nickel-plated heat pipes, and these heat pipes are strategically positioned to dissipate heat from critical components like the GPU core and video memory. Additionally, the card includes a distinctive tail and halo design, which contributes thermal management by facilitating better air circulation. And in terms of power, it incorporates 6 plus 1 phase power supply system and built on an 8-layer printed circuit board, ensuring robust power delivery and system stability. GALAX offered a 3-year warranty for this graphics card, and friend, it is priced at approximately $474. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.